guys, it's Caleb with the UTV Source, and today we're taking a look at the XTC Power Products X-Lite RGB+W rock light kit. Included in the kit, you're going to get 8 XTC rock light pods, along with power cables to daisy chain the whole system together. Each pod is going to include an optional rubber bar mount, along with a custom rocker switch and power harness, and the XTC Pro controller. You're going to be able to access all the features on this kit with either the included RF remote, or you can go and download the Pro RGB app on all Apple and Android devices. The X-Lite system has over 180 customizable RGB functions. You can easily switch between the RGB mode with the rocker switch over to an all-white work light mode. One cool thing with the X-Lite system is that if you have a larger vehicle and want to install more rock lights, everything is daisy-chainable together with these power cables. So add multiple systems together and everything's going to work. Another cool thing is that if you have an existing XTC Power Products turn signal kit, the X-Lite rock light kit is going to work in tandem with that. Turn left or right on your vehicle and these things are going to flash amber alongside your turn signal kit. You can get these XTC Power Products and more at utvsource.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, life's a ride. Make it your own.